welcome to Jessie's Tropical Fruit Farm. It is July 7th and here's what we have available for the week. This week we have some yummy yellow dragon fruit, watermelon guava, which is pink and sweet on the inside. We have Mexican jackfruit. Look at how big this one is. Humongous. Then we have our Mamey sapote that is orange in the center, tastes like sweet pumpkin pie. We have freeze-dried jackfruit, so come on in and get some of that. Tastes like candy. It's absolutely delicious, and it's just fruit, no sugar added. We have things like fresh pressed sugarcane juice mixed with dragon fruit and key lime. We have popsicles that are like guava, lemonade flavored. Very, very tasty, healthy, clean ingredients. We have juices and smoothies and tons of freeze-dried goods and jams and jellies. And we also have Longan this week, y'all. Longan, super sweet on the inside. It's in the same family as the lychee. This week we are also featuring Quenepas or Mamoncillo, which is a lime-flavored fruit. You eat it similar to the way you would eat your Longan. We have a handful of Kent mangoes left and bin of Ataulfo mangoes as well. We do have one Thai jackfruit left this week. Look at what we have, y'all. Fresh miracle fruit berries. So come on in, get some fresh ones. You can freeze them to keep them stored for a long period of time. We also have our finger limes grown here and tons and tons of freeze-dried goods that we just started creating some other unique blends. Our cherry brownies, our Mamey delight, the island bites, which is mango and banana, passion fruit and red dragon. So these are great for a healthy, clean snack on the go. You don't have to worry about all kinds of fake dyes and sugars. Here you can have fresh fruit ready to eat anywhere you're going. So plenty of teas from our Tiesta tea line. We have a selection of goat milk soaps and lotions, and we also have our miracle melts, which is a blend of miracle fruit and red dragon. It makes your tongue make everything taste like it's covered in sugar. We also have some papaya seeds if you're looking for any of its health benefits. It has been freeze dried, so it's light, crisp, and has that peppery flavor. And it has antiviral properties and anti-parasitic. So very healthy if you're trying to heal yourself naturally. You would have to look up what that does and correlate it to what you got going on, because I am not a doctor. But our food is our medicine, y'all. Hope to see you at the farm. Have a blessed day. Bye.